This is DJI Spark, and today I'll show how you can enable, disable, and once enabled, adjust the maximum flight distance restriction on this drone. So in the beginning, you will need to enter the camera view of the DJI Go 4 app. Now tap at those three horizontal dots to launch settings. Next, enter the MC settings category. That's the first icon you'll see on this list. Now scroll down and look for the distance limit toggle. Once this toggle is switched off, that means that there is no flight distance restrictions, so you can fly your drone as far as the signal will allow. Now if you would like to set it up, set this restriction up and enable it, switch on this toggle here, and now adjust the maximum flight distance to be anywhere between 15 and 8,000 meters or 8 kilometers. I'll go with, let's say, 1,000 meters here. And here you have it, as simple as that. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.